Dating apps, while supposed to make it easier to connect, have left us feeling more alone and disconnected. 79% of Gen Z now actively reject traditional dating apps. These platforms have become what psychologists call dopamine slot machines, designed to keep you swiping, not connecting. The average user spends 90 minutes daily mindlessly swiping through profiles, yet 78% of matches never meet in person. 32% of users report being catfished. 15% of profiles are completely fake. And here's the kicker. Every major dating app now has a negative net promoter score. Users literally hate the products they're addicted to using. Look at what's happening to the industry. Match Group, owner of Tinder, Hinge, and OkCupid, has lost 75% of its market value. Bumble's stock crashed 87%. Dating app funding dropped 74% just this year. Why? Because the fundamentals are completely broken. Customer acquisition costs have skyrocketed to $158 per user, while average revenue per user is just $7.60. Apps retain only 3.3% of users after 30 days. That's a business model that mathematically cannot work. But this crisis creates unprecedented opportunity for disruption. What if there was an app designed from the ground up to learn from the mistakes of dating apps and foster true in-person connection? Enter MingleMaps. We're not trying to build a better dating app. We're replacing the entire model with something that actually works. MingleMaps achieves what the industry can't. $5 to $10 customer acquisition costs versus their $158, 50% daily active users versus their 20%, and 35% user retention versus their 3.3%. How? By doing one thing differently. We require physical presence. Our venue-based model creates superior economics. With just 25,000 users, we'll generate $340,000 in year one. By year two, we project $1.4 million from 85,000 users. Compare that to Tinder, which needs millions of users to reach profitability and still hasn't achieved it in most markets. We reach profitability at just 15,000 paid users, a fraction of what traditional apps require. Let me show you exactly how it works. Welcome to MingleMaps. Instead of swiping from your couch, you check into real venues, that's bars, coffee shops, bookstores, where other singles are actually present. When you arrive, you see who else is there right away. No fake profiles. If you like someone, you can hold to heat up their profile, and then you will go into their request tab, and they'll like you back. But here's where we're different. Our compass navigation immediately guides you to each other. The compass shows direction and distance, close enough to meet, private enough to feel safe. Once you connect, structured icebreakers eliminate awkward silences, real questions that create real conversations. Once each of you have answered, you will be prompted with a mingle timer. You get 2 minutes to see if there's any chemistry. Once you're done mingling and you'd like to keep talking to this person, you can choose to share what information you have in the app with them. That's phone number, Instagram, etc. Every interaction happens in public. Your friends can track your location, emergency features are one tap away. This isn't about endless swiping. It's about real connections happening right now in the real world. The dating app industry made $6.18 billion last year by keeping people lonely and addicted. We're building something different, a platform that creates real relationships while generating sustainable profits. And with your support, we'll revolutionize how 360 million people worldwide find love. The dating app industry is broken. We're not trying to fix it. We're replacing it. Thank you for watching.